Hey guys, Brad at QMC, Queensland Marine Centre. Today I'm aboard a boat we've traded and I wanted to sort of focus a little bit this week on a few of our bigger trades. This is a 2024 model Intrepid 40-footer basically. It's highly optioned. It's probably well over $2 million to replace now. The gentleman who owned it originally brought it to us for its first service. Was sitting next to a Boston Whaler 405 Conquest and he fell in love with that. We traded the boat, hence we have it now for sale. But talk about value for money. I'll give you a bit of a quick tour and a bit of a walkthrough of the boat because you'll be amazed at really what it has, the size of the cabin, the fishability, the electronics setup, the family-friendly seating. This boat really has a lot to offer, so definitely worth considering. We have it now at 1.19 million, and we're talking a boat that's probably 2.3 million to buy new if we had it sitting here new. So talk about bang for buck. The boat's powered by triple Mercury 400 horsepower supercharged L6 motors. I think around 200 hours on them now. The boat's all freshly serviced, polished and detailed. Everything's up to date. It's got a really striking metallic blue hull. You can't miss it, it really stands out. Otherwise the boat's kitted really well. It's got sea-deck flooring. It's got an amazing amount of underfloor storage. I really haven't seen a boat with as much underfloor storage as this. And every little nook and cranny on this boat is taken up with either storage. It's got two live bait tanks at the back. It's got a pull-out seat here, and I won't open it all up now, but we're only just doing a quick walkthrough. It's got rod holders galore, and really good quality rod holders / drink holders / rocket launcher. One of the big features of this Intrepid 409 is it has a generator, a diesel generator, which runs most things, your air conditioner, your cooktop, all those sorts of things, but it also powers a Seakeeper 3 gyroscopic stabilizer. So if you're offshore fishing or you're anchored up at Moreton Bay and that sort of stuff and you really don't want to rock and roll, it's a flick of the switch and away you go. You got a nice stable platform. Massive big hardtop, huge. And then at the helm here, we've got a dual helm, dual 16-inch Simrad screens. It's got the joystick piloting. It's got a bow thruster as well. It's got all the bells and whistles basically you could want in a boat like this. Some pretty cool things, like I haven't seen this before, but this is a chiller in here. Press button. So this is what I mean, they just make really good use of space. Little things like that. So moving forward of the helm, we have quite a large area here for seating. Obviously there's a table that goes in there. I haven't got it put in at the moment. And this boat's also really open and airy. It does have a diesel generator and air conditioning, believe it or not. This is actually air conditioned in here, so I can close all of these up and be nice and cool even in the height of summer. But basically opened up, like I said, you can sit around here, probably sit 6 people here comfortably. And then I'll walk down into the cabin. You'll be amazed at how big the cabin is. Once again, it's a 40-foot boat, but it packs a lot. 3 easy steps down into the cabin. This forward V berth obviously drops down into a bed on the pedestal there. It's got skylights. These open up as well. Once again, there's little cabinetry, there's little storage nooks and crannies everywhere. You can close off the windows for privacy. You've got a small galley with a single cooktop, fridge. There's a microwave, storage, hot and cold water. This bed, I haven't seen a V berth that's convertible like this. That's this big, so I reckon you could be 6'4", 6'5" and still sleep there. and then also has an enclosed head, so nice privacy door, vacuum flush toilet system, or it might be electric, that one, and an enclosed shower in there. So heaps of room. Once again, fantastic head height. I'm 6 foot tall, probably another couple of inches there. And then there's another mid-berth back down here. Not sure if you can see it there, but substantial size as well. I'd sleep in there comfortably. It's a double, or probably even close to a queen size bed. Remember, it's all air conditioned in here as well, so super comfortable for a weekend away. You can head offshore, do some serious fishing with your mates, because it's a genuinely good offshore fishing boat. It's family friendly as a day entertainer, and for a small family or a couple as a weekender, I'd probably even spend a week on this boat. It's that good. So it's the 2024 Intrepid 409. Come down, check it out. It's at Gold Coast City Marina on display. So we invite anyone to come and check it out.